Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Oluchi and I'm a Nigerian based YouTuber. So guys, in this video I'll be doing a natural looking highlighting and contouring tutorial, like a highlighting and contouring 101. So if you want to watch this video, do stay tuned and watch the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, watch my previous videos, and I'll see you all in the video. So I'll start off by priming my face with the Issa and Dose face primer. I'll just take out a few pumps. I've already moisturized my face, and I'll use it to apply it on my face. Guys, I'm already done with my brows and my eyeshadow, because this is just a highlighting and contouring video. If you want to see how I draw my brows, I'll link it in the description box to check it out. So guys, I'll be using this Zekel foundation in the shade Sexy Almond. I'll be using it as a foundation for this video. So guys, I'm using my favorite blender at the moment, the Zekel blender. This feels very soft and it blends easily. I've already made it damp. See the size, it's damp now. So I'm using it to apply my foundation. Guys, a blend, because blending is kind of the key. It's main thing. You have to blend and blend. Guys, I'm breaking out seriously. I'm really breaking out. I have to start up a very good skincare routine. I'm a very lazy person at skincare, but I'll try to start up a very good routine. I'll know if it will work for me. So guys, I'll be highlighting my face with this Zaron concealer in the shade Deep. I'm just doing a kind of natural highlights and contouring, not like the so precise one. I'll be doing a natural highlights and contouring. This is in the shade Deep and it's just a shade lighter than my shade. Well, it's a shade lighter than my shade. So I'll just like apply it under my eye. You just try not to make it touch. Like I'll blend it to my lower lash line, but when I'm applying it, I try not to apply it on my lower lash line. I'll apply on my jaw, my forehead, bridge of my nose, and top of my lips. So guys, I'll be blending with this micro blender. It's from the Zekel Cosmetics. It's a micro blender. I'll be using it to blend my highlights. I start blending under my eye first. So I blend to reach under my lash line. Start to blend it out the side of my face. Same thing I go into the other part. I blend. I look up so that it will freeze. I blend. Sorry guys, I'm looking down. I've told you guys before, my mirror is this way. I tend to look down. When I'm blending under my eye, like my lash line side, I tend to look up so it won't crease. I blend it to the sides of my nose, then to the side of my face. I blend my forehead. Then my jaw. I blend it to the sides. I blend my nose, the bridge of my nose. I try to blend it. So guys, before I go in with my Kylie setting powder, I'll first of all set my face with the powder in this Zekel face kit. Guys, I've showed you guys this palette. It's a blush and a powder and a bronzer palette. Like, these are the powders, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then these are the 2 bronzers, and these are the blush colors. So guys, I'll be setting my face first with a lighter shade of powder. This is lighter than my normal shade. I'll use it to set my face before I go in with my setting powder. Guys, I don't even know the reason why I prefer using my normal finishing powder first to set before going with the setting powder. I just noticed it has been working for me. Guys, I'm applying this powder on the same place I applied my concealer. I prefer to set my highlights first. Before doing my contour. Guys, after using this powder, I just put in a little setting powder with the same brush I used. I just put in a little, mainly under my eye. The bridge of my nose. Just this part. I don't do it on my jaw and I don't do it on my forehead. When I want my highlight to be subtle, guys, I don't do this on my forehead, my jawline. I just do it under my eye, the bridge of my nose, and the top of my lips. So guys, before I blend out my highlights, I allow it to set in a bit. By that time, I'll be contouring my face, and I'll be using any cream contour, any concealer to contour my face. I'll just be using a dark powder, and I'll be using this dark powder here. This one is too dark for me, so guys, I'll be using this one to contour my face. But guys, when I really want my contour to be defined and everything to be defined, I use a concealer. Guys, I just apply this on my cheekbone. If you don't know where it is, you can just like this and follow this line here. And I'll do it on my forehead, like not my forehead, my hairline. Then I go back to this way. Then I do a kind of reverse contour with the first powder I used to highlight. Below the place I contoured, I'll just draw a little line. Guys, I don't use my setting powder to do this. I just use my normal finishing powder to do this. By now, I guess this must have set, so I'll start blending out my face. So guys, I will now set my entire face with my own shade of powder, which is 11. In this same palette, I'll be using this blush here. So guys, I'll be using this glue here. draw on the tip of my nose with my finger. Move it gently with my finger. So guys, I'm done with this tutorial. I'm done with this natural looking highlighting and contouring. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Yeah, give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, share links to your friends, watch my video, watch my previous video, the brow tutorial. I'll link it in the description box, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.